Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Burnwood back with you, and welcome back to Burnwood Chronicles. Why do I call myself Burnwood? It's because of my main channel, Burnwood Bushcraft, and it was a nickname given to me and it just kind of stuck, Burnwood. So this is my second channel. I'll leave the link to my main channel in the description. I appreciate it if you guys go there and check it out. If you like camping, outdoors, bushcraft, stuff like that, go check out Burnwood Bushcraft. That link will be in the description. But this is Burnwood Chronicles, and Burnwood Chronicles is my second channel that I made just for anything other than bushcraft, family camping, road trips, you name it. Here recently I've started smoking meat in my offset smoker. I'm a beginner smoker and I want to get better at it. I've been learning this grill, been learning this smoker. It's just a cheap Royal Gourmet, like $200 grill. I finally have some good wood. Today I'm going to be smoking some boneless chicken breasts with a barbecue style rub, something I just throw together, and we're going to smoke it with wood. I've got the grill cleaned out, got my chimney full of charcoal. I'm going to light this fat wood that I shaved up and get it going. So I've got two bins now. The yellow one's got charcoal only, and my fat wood pieces that I start fires with. And then this bin here is full of wood, all kinds of kindling, different size wood. But this is the chunks of wood that I'm going to try to smoke with today without having to cut them down anymore. And like, this is a pretty big piece here, and it fits. So in the past, I've come to realize, and with a lot of tips from you guys, I realized that I didn't start with a good enough coal bed. Thank you for the comments. So I got an entire chimney full of charcoal now, and it's getting there. I'm excited, man. It's a rainy day. What else better to do than smoke some chicken breasts or something on the grill, right? It's been about 15 minutes since I lit this chimney, and we have fire coming out the top. I'm gonna let that keep going, make sure all those coals are ignited, getting gray, before I dump it in the box. Oh, I just realized I left the freaking door open. Only lost one out the side. Let me grab it real quick. Alright, so I'm gonna, this is just another pair of tongs. I don't really use them much, except for moving coals and wood around in the box. Sometimes I make a mistake and grab food with it. And they're all nasty, gnarly. I just have a short pair of tongs for the food. So what I want to do right here is just make, this is going good, so I'm just going to spread it out. From what I've seen, you need to spread it out to make more of a flat bed, I guess, for the wood to go on top of. So So we're going to try to do that. Now I think it's time for the first piece of wood to go on there. Two pieces and a little small piece to get it started. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. That's burnwood style, baby. I need that fire to burn. I'm not even attempting to put any food on this grill. Now that I see that's burning good, I'm going to close the cooking chamber. I'm going to leave this door wide open. My previous cooks, I don't know if it was getting enough air, I just wasn't using good enough wood. So I may try leaving this door open all the time, but that might make the wood burn way too fast. It all depends on how good I have a fire established and what our temperatures look like in the smoker. Alright, it's going on 2:30 and still letting that fire burn. And I think it's going I think the fire is going good, so I should probably close the firebox and let it heat up the cooking chamber really good right now. Alright, so I've added another piece of wood. This piece is not as dense as the other two pieces. A little bit more rougher looking wood, a little more seasoned. I'm going to let that catch really good. Make sure I have a clean fire. I got to make sure that I don't have dirty smoke going over my food. Now we don't have anything on the grill yet. So once I know this other piece of wood catches really good, I'll close everything up and see if I can regulate the temperature with the dampers. One of my bushcraft cups, pots, whatever. But I'm drinking a Wicked Weed Pernicious. They were not in the refrigerator at the store, so I have it in a cup with ice in it. First drink of the day. I'm feeling good about this one. Feeling good, real good. I'm going to keep this damper wide open, and I think we're good enough. I'm going to close this and see what happens. I just want to go ahead and scrape the rag. It should rise. So let's go in and take a look at the chicken. So my rub has kind of dissolved into nothing, and I have more rub ready to go. It's all just a wet mess, looks like. Onion powder, black pepper, seasoned salt, brown sugar, chili powder, smoked paprika, onion powder. everything's closed up. We're pushing 300. If it keeps climbing, I'll open the box again. That's looking good, boy. You know, I don't have any fancy temperature probes, meat probes, or thermometers yet. I just got a little regular meat thermometer. It's not electronic at all. But, you know, I had to finagle the fire a little bit and put another big piece of wood on it, and keeping that firebox, the valve, the damper door, keeping that damper door open is helping this wood keep burning. I'm maintaining right now like 275, just under 300, so I'll let that roll. 2 hours and 15 minutes. It is now 10 after 5, so we're looking at 3 o'clock to, you know, 10 after 5. It's looking really good. Munching down on some Doritos nacho. They taste like they got jalapeno. It's like a cheesy jalapeno. Got a little heat to it. My kids want to eat it. They're really good. We're about 5 hours in. I think they're done. They look done. They look good. Had a little trouble the last hour or so with temperature, adding wood. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, they look really good. It's getting dark out, so I don't know if I really trust this thermometer or not. Let's take a look and see what's going on here. Oh, it's white in the middle. It's done. That thermometer lies.
It was a dollar store thermometer, honey.
So after about 5 hours, which is, you know, it seems to be normal for me, but it's got a really good flavor. My wife says it's got a spice to it, but I didn't put anything spicy on it.
Chili powder.
Chili powder might be the spiciest thing. Smoked paprika, that's not spicy. But I'm going to add some Texas Pete. And as you can see, I already got my barbecue sauce on there. And my barbecue sauce is in this mason jar. Maybe in my next video, I'll show you how I make my barbecue sauce. It's so simple and just two ingredients, and it'll just blow your mind. 2 ingredients. It's not an all natural recipe, but it's a combination of 2 different sauces, and it's freaking amazing. I'll show you this on the next video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Burnwood Chronicles. Go subscribe. Tell your friends, I'm small, I want to grow. I might continue smoking meats, all kinds of different things in that smoker. I'm just getting started. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. It's done all the way through. So the fact that I didn't have to put this in the oven, this is a win in my view.